Hello and welcome back to my channel Div's Home Studio. In today's video I am going to share a biotech haul because I have got lots of biotech products this time. So I got it from Nykaa's Pink Friday sale and few products from Amazon too because few were out of stock from Nykaa, so I had to get the products. They were all the new release, so I just wanted to try out. I was very much excited and eager to know how the product is, and so I just got. There's a lot of products this time from biotech. Yes, this so many and. Yeah, let's check out. Most of them are skincare. I'm not very happy about the biotech's makeup products, but when it comes to skincare, they are super duper. Of course there are a few products which doesn't really work because they do have too much of natural extracts and natural ingredients, so it may react quite different skin types, but they are all dermatologically tested. You won't have any extreme kind of reactions. Otherwise, this is one of the best ever skincare brand I have experienced, which is affordable, with the quality of the product, the quality of the packaging, everything seems to be wonderful. And I think I have been using biotech like for more than a decade now, so I love using the products. I love to try out the new products. So without any further delay, let's get started. Now let's start off from the face washes. So my all-time favorite face wash from biotech is their advanced bio papaya flawless face wash. So this is how the packaging looks like. This is actually the 50 ml product with which retails for 65 rupees. So face wash, this is one of the best ever face wash I have used. I started off with biotech initially. This was my first product and I love this product. It is actually suitable for all skin types. It does not dry. It has small granules in it which actually scrubs out your dirt and cleanses your pores. So this is one of the best buy if you are skeptical about buying products, trying out new variants, then sure and must buy. So the next product that I would recommend for all skin type is Bioneem face wash. This is how the packaging looks like, and it is again 50 ml of product, retails for 65 rupees. I love this product. Again, I would surely recommend this for the youngsters and teenagers who are having acne problems but love to use very mild and subtle products, and particularly from biotech, then this is a good buy for you. So this is again for all types of skin, but yes, it is preferably people who really suffer from acne and pimples can surely use it. This cleanses your skin very well. It doesn't leave any residues of makeup or anything. It in just one wash you are just spick and span to go. So the next product I have is their new Bio Morning Nectar Visibly Flawless Face Wash. This is a new product. I just got this from Nykaa. This one is 100 ml of product and it retails for 120. So I have used their biotech Morning Nectar moisturizer. I have reviewed that in one of my videos in the moisturizers. You can check that out. But that is kind of a very nice moisturizer. It is preferably for more dry skin. I'm not sure about this product. I haven't used it. As you can see, I haven't opened the packaging yet, but surely would review this pack again. Like the Visibly Flawless Face Wash for all skin type. They do have 100 ml of product for 120 rupees. So moving on to our next product, I have again the Bio Morning Nectar Visibly Flawless Face Pack. Is from the same variant again. This is how the packaging looks like. It has 50 grams of product and retails for 75. I'm sure all their new releases, that is their apple cider vinegar face wash, coffee face wash. So this is how the packaging looks like. This packaging is enormous tube, and I love the packaging very much. They are simply superb. And this is again 150 ml of product and retails for 225 each. So they come in a variant apple cider vinegar, and this is in this variant coffee, and there's one more variant from tea tree. So coming to the consistency of the product, they are gel kind of consistency. You can see the transparent brown kind of gel kind of product. You can take a very little amount of product because it lathers so very well. It is kind of a soapy product, and it is amazing. The smell is really sweetish coffee kind of fragrance. I love it. And the feel of the product is absolutely stunning. I did not expect. As soon as I washed my face with the product, I felt it was so soft and so smooth. I can surely feel that effect on my skin. So with one wash, I was really stunned to see the effect of the product. So I'm very happy about this product. I hope you all should try out this product, particularly the coffee variant. And yeah, apple cider vinegar also I tried out. It is simply superb, equally good. So these are the products which are from Biotech, the new releases. You have to try it. This is absolutely super duper good. Yeah, that's it. The packaging is simply awesome. It retails for 225. They have 150 ml of product, and the only con about this product, it did not come with any outer packaging, but they don't have an ingredient list on this behind this. They just have energizing face wash with organic certified Himalayan coffee. So this is what they have. The only con about this product is they don't have any kind of ingredient list behind it. Moving on to the next product, I got two bars, cleansing bar from Biotech. So this is the Morning Nectar, again visibly flawless cream bathing bar, and this is their Bio Himalayan plum body soap. So this is how the packaging looks like. These two are the products I got it. And this, I'm not sure if it is new release or it's old one. I haven't tried this before, so I just got to try it out. So my kids love they didn't use bars, so they preferably use pure. So I thought, why not I give Biotech a try. So I just got these for my kids. See how the soap looks like. I haven't tried this out yet. Oh, it is a nice pinkish bar. Okay, second we'll give this a try. So this is a very nice pinkish Bio Himalayan plum body soap. And how was this one? So this is their Morning Nectar cream bathing bar. I hope this would be white color. Yeah, both of them doesn't smell that good for me. Actually, I don't like it, but yeah, those who like to use bar surely can try out bar. The next product is their Bio Rose Pore Tightening Toner with Himalayan waters. This is how the packaging looks. I generally don't use toners. I like to use face mist. I generally prefer face mist. So I use the Plum Sea Buckthorn face mist. But the rose variant really, tempted me to buy this product, and the color looked really dashing. So maybe it is a lame thing to buy a product, but I love the Bio Rose variant one, so I thought I would surely. I like the rose water kind of face mist, so I thought, why not I give this a try. But to my surprise, this really did work, and it was really very nice, and I felt really hydrated after applying this toner on my skin. After I cleanse my face, I just take a few drops and tap it on my skin, but I felt this really worked well, so I'm happy about this product. So this is the outer packaging of this product, and this is how the inner packaging looks like, and it has 120 ml of product and retails for 220 rupees. And you have their ingredients list here on the outer packaging. And yeah, this is an usual Biotech product kind of packaging. This is a very light, nice toner which actually absorbs into the skin very quickly, and the fragrance is extraordinary, very smoothing, very mild, and I love it. Okay, moving on to the next product, I have their that is the Tea Tree Skin Clearing Eye Mask. This is how the outer packaging looks like, and this is how the inner packaging looks like. And they do have 15 grams of products and retails for 250 bucks. Again, This I got an offer for 20%. I'm not sure if I got it in from Amazon or Nykaa, but yeah. So it is a very clear gel kind of mask. Yes, I tried out this product for 3 to 4 days. I don't know if camera is picking it up. Yeah, it's a nice gel kind of consistency. They do have 15 grams of product. You can just take a tiny amount and just circle it around your eyes, under eyes and above your eyes, and just leave it over. It just absorbs into your skin very quickly, and the smell of the fragrance of the product is really too good, very mild. In clearing eye mask is a very good buy. I actually gave it to my husband too. He used and he felt really relaxing, and because they do work on the system for a very long time, so he has a tiring eye, so I just shared it with him and he felt really good, and I personally felt it's a really nice product. So I used it for like around 4 to 5 days now. Yeah, I can see the difference of the, I'm not sure about clearing eye mask, but I felt it was very soothing and relaxing, and the skin around my eyes was like hydrated. So this is what I felt. Nothing much more, because maybe you need to apply more than a month to see any kind of difference, if you have any dark circle is getting clarified or not. So but otherwise, for a very healthy eye, you can surely buy this product. I would suggest this product for all the skin types and all kind of problems. You have puffy eyes, you have a dark circle, you have a tired eyes. So I think this gel would surely work for you. It is very soothing, very nice and mild. So it's a must buy if you are a Biotech fan or you want to something very natural, then surely you can give this a try. So this is their Biotech Tree Tree Skin Clearing Eye Mask. So let's move. I have their Green Tea Skin Clearing Night Mask. This is normal to oily skin, and this is how the outer packaging looks like. This is how the inner packaging looks like. It has 50 grams of product and retails for $290. Again, this I got it for 20% discount. I think I got this from Amazon, and yeah. So let's see how the product is. I just tried out a little bit of the product, as you can see here, and they do have a green kind of thick creme based night mask. I didn't feel like it's very light. If it is for normal to oily skin, obviously it has to be light and mattifying kind of night cream, because already they do have a very oily skin. But it is absorbing into the skin, but it is not very mattifying. It's kind of a little heavy. Otherwise, you can give this a try. I'm not sure about this product yet. Maybe if I would like to give the review later on after using it. So this is the Tea Tree variant skin clearing night mask. So the next product I have is their Bio Almond Oil. It is a makeup cleanser. I have used this product earlier. This is my second bottle. This is an oil based makeup remover. Practically I thought it was almond oil, but it was kind of disappointing when I saw the ingredient list behind. So actually they do have sunflower oil for 12%, and then they have other oil like til, soya oil, neem oil. The concern I had after buying this product was the almond oil is just for 3%. I am not happy though, but I don't have any other oil based makeup remover, so I found this a bit nice, and really it did really work on my skin. And since I have a very dry skin, I do use micellar water to remove my makeup, but that is not sufficient, so I need something of oil based. So I always love to use this kind of product. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. It's quite a lengthy video. I couldn't help it because I wanted to try out all the new range from Biotech. I was so excited to try out all this product, but I didn't get a chance to try out all of those. But yes, I hope this review must have been useful for you. Until next time, it's Zivya signing off.